Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube videos. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how I can do it. So deleting a YouTube video is basically just if you have a couple of videos and you want to delete a video on YouTube. I'm going to show you how. So first of all, you're going to launch up YouTube. Now from YouTube you're going to go. From YouTube you're going to go. From YouTube you're going to go onto your profile on the bottom right corner. And from there, you're going to go click on your videos down over here, okay? And once you click on your videos, let's say I want to delete this video. So I'm going to click on the three dots, and from the three dots, I can click on delete, and then delete the video. Now, this is basically how you can delete a video if you want it. But for me personally, I'd like to, if you can set this video to private, I would highly recommend for you to make it private or at least unlisted. Because if you change your mind, you don't have to go through the hassle of completely uploading the video again and just gaining the views again. I'll just recommend for you to make it private. Other than that, I've showed you how you can delete the video. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.